Maganda tayong Ate Krisa, di ba? Sabi yan ni Ricklin. Oh, sige na dyan. Napilitan. Sabi niya naman dito, #iFM ang best friend mo. Magandang gabi. Pabati po kami dito sa Kalipogi Kalasyaw. Pabati na din po ako, sabi yan ni Jocelyn. Advance maligayang Pasko. Mga Bessie Wap, God bless po sa iFM Love Lot. Sa walang anuman, thank you. Advance Merry Christmas din sa'yo, Jocelyn. Diba? Best friend, tuloy-tuloy mo lang ang pakikinig ha. O, ng iFM. Dahil kung ikaw ay namomroblema, wag lang sa pera. Problema ka sa jowa mo, sa pamilya mo, kahit kanino pwede yan. Hindi natin ikinakahiyang mag-share ng problema, di ba? Alagaryoy ken, Casey Sandalan, si Kate Akulayat, si kayo. Alas 9 at labi, anggad alauna at palbangon at tabayanan mo ay confession. Ano bang hindi natin kinakahiyang ipakita? Siyempre yung pagka-Pinoy natin, mga physical appearance, pango. Hindi, pasintabi sa mga kayo manggi. Pero ganun tayo di ba? Ganun tayo mga Pinoy. Ano pa ba nga hindi natin kinakahiya? Ikaw, hindi mo kinakahiyang umutot sa harap ng jowa mo. Hindi naman sa harap ng mukha. I mean, kahit nandyan siya, umuutot ka pa rin. Diba? Ay, pasitabi po hindi mo kinakaya yun. Which is okay naman dahil napaka-komportable mo sa kanya. Madami tayong hindi dapat ikaya, pero kung kababaing matla, huwag naman na. So, something gross na. Huwag ka maka-gross. Iwasan naman natin na gawin, no? Diba? Yan na nga mga best friend. Ay, ako'y magpapaalam na muna at ako'y uuwi na rin. Naman, at syempre, manonood tayo ng balita. Enjoy natin ang iFM. Pag gusto mo magpuyat, makipagpuyatan ka with Casey Sandalan hanggang alauna yan na madaling araw. Anda pa yan naman ako bukas ulit. Araw ng Thursday. Uy, papalapit ang sweldo day. Naku po. Hay. Umihinga ka pa ba? Araw ng Thursday, magkikita-kita ulit tayo. Magkakarinigan pala. Ayan na. Ay, sa umaga, alas 8 hanggang alas 11 yan. At syempre, is back to back, iFM Tambayan. Alas 3 hanggang alas 6 yan ng gabi. Ako muna yung magpapaalam. Manatiling nakatutok dito lamang yan sa number 1 best friend radio station mo, iFM. Ang best friend mo, Dugatan. Good evening, everyone.
iFM, best friend mo at best friend ko. iFM, best friend mo at best friend ko.
Do you know what's worth fighting for when it's not worth dying for? Does it take your breath away and you feel yourself suffocating? Does the pain weigh out the pride and you look for a place to hide? Did someone break your heart inside? You're in ruins. 121 guns, lay down your arms, give
baby. But I really wanna say I can't define. Well, it's love that I need. Oh, my soul will have to wait till I get back, find a Hannah of my own. Daddy's gonna love one and all. I feel the break, feel the break, feel the break, and I gotta live it up. Oh yeah, well I swear that well, I really wanna know, baby. Well, I really wanna say I can't define. That love make it go. My soul will have to. But I really wanna say, baby. What I really wanna say is I've got mine, and I'll make it. Yes, I'm coming up. Tell Sanchito that if he knows what is good for him, he best go run and hide. Daddy's got a new 45, and I won't think twice to stick that bell straight down Sancho's throat. Believe me when I say that I got something for his punk ass. What I really wanna know, my baby, what I really wanna say is there's just one way back, and I'll make it, yeah. My soul will have to
iFM, ay aking best friend.
Hello, my friend, we'll meet again. It's been a while, when shall we begin? Feels like forever.
Fabcon, ano nga bang mas gusto? Ayon sa research sa Metro Manila, halos 80% ng mga misis mas gusto ang bango ng Pride with Fabcon kaysa leading brand even after 24 hours. Dahil ang Pride may tuloy bango microbeads para sa bangong tuloy-tuloy buong araw.
Tuloy-tuloy bango.
Kaya misis, tuloy na sa Pride with Fabric Conditioner.
Tuloy-tuloy bango ng Pride with Fabcon ko.
Ituloy ang bango with Pride. Pride with Fabric Conditioner, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified. World-class quality.
ACS.
Kung makabagong trabaho ang hanap mo at ikaw ay isang residente ng Bugalyon, well, sakto! Sa mga nagnanais maging online tutor or online teacher, mag-submit na ng iyong resume sa Bugalyon Municipal Hall upang maging parte ng makabagong proyekto ng Bayan ng Bugalyon. Hatid sa atin ni Mayor Jomel Anthony Espino at ng LGU Bugalyon in cooperation with Department of Information and Technology. Maunlad na mamamayan, lalo na't may kaisahan. One Bugalyon!
Uy, Bes! Mukhang dami mong iniisip, ha?
Oo nga eh. Hindi ko kasi alam kung saan ako bibili ng affordable na gamit pang bahay.
Yan lang ba? Ang sagot dyan? Our Shop General Merchandise. Mapa kitchenwares, plasticwares, glasswares, Eurotech foams, blankets, curtains, towels, umbrellas at mga appliances scanning standard, Hanabishi, Micromatic at Eureka. Sa Our Shop General Merchandise, presyong pangkaibigan kaya mas makakatipid ka. Matatagpuan sila sa Ice Point Building in front of PDO, MacArthur Highway, San Miguel, Calasiao, Pangasinan. Tawagan o i-text sila sa 0917-864-1444, 0925-562227, 600-1117.
Talaga ba? Makapunta na nga ako sa Our Shop General Merchandise at makabili ng mga kailangan sa bahay.
Our Shop General Merchandise, presyong pangkaibigan.
Noon, tampisaw sa ulan at baha, tapos ligo ng sabong nakasanayan. Pwede na. Pero sa tindi ng panahon ngayon, di na pwede ang basta pwede na. Dapat Dr. S. Wong Sulfur Soap with Moisturizer.
Dr. S. Wong Sulfur Soap with Moisturizer. Di lang ordinaryong sabon dahil may sulfur. Tulong sa proteksyon ng balat laban sa kati-kati, tigyawat, galis at fungi.
Ngayon, bawat ligo, Dr. S. Wong Sulfur Soap with Moisturizer. Iwas dry skin at mabango pa.
Dr. S. Wong Sulfur Soap. Gawang IPI. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
Ano kung ganyan ka pumorma? Ano kung masaya ka maging kakaiba? Ano kung ram ang drink mo? Kung sadyang maganda lang talaga taste mo? Piliin mong maging ikaw. Tanduay Select. Ano kung kakaiba? Piliin mong maging ikaw. Tanduay Select. Drink responsibly.
Hapdi ba sa kutis ang gamit mong sabon? Hindi yan safe sa balat. Try New Placenta Soap by Samstre. Made of active plant extracts, New Placenta is effective for skin whitening and anti-aging. Now, with Advanced Placenta Care Formula, ito'y siguradong mabisa, safe sa kutis, and endorsed by Stephanie and EJ Falcon. New Placenta by Samstre. Siguradong makinis ang kutis na walang hapdi. New Placenta by Samstre. Tatak Samstre ang tunay na placenta.
Itak, tak, itak, tak mo, tiyak magbubuhay.
mo ay hindi na magiging boring. Dahil inihanda namin para sa'yo ang mga programang swak para sa'yo. 1:00 hanggang 3:00 ng hapon, ang drama sa radyo na siguradong kapupulutan ng aral at magmumulat sa'yo sa realidad ng buhay. Dear iFM, kasama si Bessie J at Tita Ronnie. Pagsapit naman ng 3:00 hanggang 6:00 ng gabi, makitambay kasama ang mga local personalities natin sa programang bagong tinatambayan ng mga sikat at gustong sumikat. iFM Tambayan with Krisa Cancionera. Paniguradong solve ang hapon mo kung tututok ka dito sa 104.7 iFM. Ang best friend mo.
iFM, best friend mo at best friend ko. iFM, best friend mo at best friend ko. Kapag nalulungkot, pinapatawa mo. Pag may problema ko, the best na magbigay ng payo. Enjoy palagi sa jokes mo at sa drama. Ang radio station ko na best friend sa lungkot at saya. Anong mang oras, araw-araw, busy man o relax, pinapakinggan ko ay ikaw. iFM, iFM, ikaw ay aking best friend. Best friend kong kakulitan, karamay katsikahan, tapos sa kwentuhan at tutugan. iFM, ikaw ay aking best friend. Sa'yo laging nakikinig, number 1 ka sa akin. iFM ay aking best friend. iFM ay aking best friend.
This program is rated SPG. It contains scenes with themes, language, violence, sex, horror, or drugs, which may not be suitable for children. Strong parental guidance is advised.
Young money, young money, young money, young money, young money, young money, young money.
Love in 1,000 different flavors. I wish that I could taste them all night. No, I ain't got no dinner plans, so you should bring all your friends. I swear that to all of y'all my type. All you girls in here, if you're feeling thirsty, come on, take a sip, 'cause you know what I'm serving. Shimmy, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah. Drink, swalla la la. Drink, swalla la la. Swalla la la. Shimmy, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah. Drink, swalla la la. Drink, swalla la la. Swalla la la. Freaky, freaky, yeah. My freaky, freaky, yeah. Shimmy, 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 yeah, shimmy, yeah. Bad girls gon' swallow la la. Bust down on my wrist and it be. My pinky ring bigger than this. Matter how I'm Beverly Hills. Dollar got too many girls. Matter how I'm Beverly Hills. All she wears red bottom heels. When she back it up, put it on the top. When she drop it low, put it on the ground. DJ pop it, she gon' swallow that. Champagne pop it, she gon' swallow that. All you girls in here, if you're feeling thirsty, come on, take a sip, 'cause you know what I'm serving. Shimmy, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah. Drink, swalla la la. Drink, swalla la la. Swalla la la. Shimmy, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah. Drink, swalla la la. Drink, swalla la la. Swalla la la. Freaky, freaky, yeah. My freaky, freaky, yeah.
Bad girl, na swallow nothing. Word to the Dalai Lama, he know I'm a fashion killer. Word to John Galliano, he cupping that Valentino. Ain't no telling me no, I'm the man that he know. I your wife in these thoughts, you don't get wins for that. I'm having another good year, we don't get blimps for that. Gang still call, we don't get minks for that. When I'm popping them bananas, we don't link chimps for that. I gave these 2 years, now your time's up. Bless her heart, she throwing shots, but every line sucks. I'm in that cherry red foreign with the brown guts. My shit slapping like dude did LeBron.
All the girls in here, if you're feeling thirsty, come on, take a sip, 'cause you know what I'm serving.
Shimmy, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah.
Drink.
Swalla la la.
Drink.
Swalla la la. Shimmy, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah.
Drink.
Swalla la la.
Drink.
Swalla la la. Swalla la la. Young Money. Swalla la la. Jay-Z.
Freaky, yeah.
Swalla la la.
My freaky, yeah.
Swalla la la.
My freaky, yeah.
Swalla la la.
My freaky, yeah. The ruler.
iFM, aking best friend.
I walked into the party. I seen some I never saw. Everybody was moving, grooving. Girls, they were dancing on the bar. Now this wasn't no ordinary dance. Hey man, why is everybody swimming in a trance? I couldn't figure it out like your grandpa's riddle. I asked them what they doing and they said, Juicy Wiggle.
Now move your hips and dance like fish.
Now I done just lost my mind. All those people wiggling they stuff. Hey man, you gonna do the dance? Man, turn down for what? Give me a shot. Another shot. Y'all ain't ready for me to show you what I got. Then my body froze up. It was getting to my head. What if I can't do it? Then everybody said, can't you see? Can't you see? Can't you see? Can't you see? Two girls are shaking it. I jumped in the middle. I asked them what we doing and they said, Juicy Wiggle. Can't you see? Can't you see? Yeah, can't you see? Right about now, we really gonna have some fun.
Oh yeah?
Well, I'm talking about taking Lynn Ivory. But first, I need some 151 in a match. It's time to light it up. Let's go now. Can't you see? Can't you see? Can't you see? Can't you see? Ain't nothing wrong with making it jiggle. So when the beat drops, everybody Juicy Wiggle. Can't you see? Can't you see? Can't you see? Juicy Wiggle. Yeah, baby. Woo!
That song was brought to you by Centrum Silver Advance. That song was brought to you by Smart Dishwashing. Tanggal galing ang sebo, tanggal galing ang bakterya. Tanggaling galing. That song was brought to you by Sulfur Soap. Hindi pwede, ang pwede na.
iFM ay aking best friend.
Feeling gwapo. Talupay kabayo. Nayari ka.
Shield Bath Soap. Galit sa sakit, may malasakit. Kaya naman ang Shield Bath Soap ay recommended ng Philippine Nurses Association.
Bula la 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 la, bula 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 bula. Anong bula-bula? Itong bath soap ko nga hindi pa ubos, parang hindi na mabula.
Mrs. Shield Bath Soap ang gamitin.
Bula 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 bula.
Mabula at may effective antibacterial ingredient para sugpuin ang germs. Shea butter tulong para hindi mag-dry ang skin.
Kahit paubos na, tuloy pa rin ang bula.
Shield Bath Soap. Galit sa sakit, may malasakit.
At sulit na sulit. Bula 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 la.
Shield Bath Soap. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified world-class quality.
BCYF. Search for Hometown Heroes. Mga bayani na nasa ating purok o barangay o bayan at palaging nasa paligid lamang natin. Mga nag-iwan ng tatak sa mga komunidad. Mga nagbigay inspirasyon sa ating lahat. Nakapagpapago o nakapagpagaan ng buhay para sa marami.